Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the CSS3 media queries. So here the CSS3 media queries is an extension of CSS2 media type. So in CSS2 media type, @media rule is used to define different style for different media type. So here this CSS3 media query is also used to define the display of the web page in mobile phones or the other handheld devices like tablets. So here in this program we will also adjust the width and height of the web pages according to the display of the different mobile phones or the tablets. So here in these we also use these media queries in CSS2. There its name as media type. So we will use @media rule to define different style for the different media types. So like you have to design a one style rule for the computers screen, one style rule for the printers, one for the mobile devices, and so on. So there is this is a lengthy procedure to define a different style rules for the different devices. So after that we come up with the media queries in CSS3. So here it look at the capability of a device rather than the type of a device to display the web page over the screen of the different devices. So here it is used to check width and height of the viewport, width and height of the devices, orientation, that is in the portrait view or in the landscape view, and the resolution. So here it will check these different properties of the devices and the web page. So here media query plays a major role in displaying a tailored style sheet to tablet, iPhones, and Android. So here the media queries consist of media type and one or more expression. So let's see in this program how it will be used here in this HTML program. So you can see first of all we have added this meta tag with the name viewport and the content attribute with these two different derivatives. After that we have added the style element in which we have added these different properties and the selectors. So here we have added this media query. So we have added media queries by writing @media screen, and we have added the minimum width equals to 450 pixel, and with that we have added these two properties, right sidebar identifier with its width 250 pixel and flow to the right, and the another identifier HP with the margin right to the 200 pixel. So we will display this. First of all we have to display the page in the web browser, then we will discuss about these properties. So for that go to this option, that is run and launch in Chrome. So you can see it will display like this in the browser. So coming to the body section of this program, you can see here we have added this division structural element, and in between these we have added two division structural elements. So here we have created this nested division structural element. So in the first we have added this unordered list, and another one we have added this heading and this paragraph. So you can see it will display like this in the browser. So these are the different list, 5 options, and this is the heading and this one is the paragraph. So let's see, here we have added these class, the identifiers, different identifiers. So let's discuss about this by going to the head section of this program. So first of all we have added the background color, that is cyan color. After that we have added the class dot bound with this selector, and we have added overflow auto. So here we have added that this page will overflow according to its width and height. After that we have added the hyper identifier named as HP, and we have added the margin right to be 4 pixel. For this one is for the this part, this part. Here we added the margin for this heading and the paragraph. After that we have declared the right sidebar identifier, where we have added flow to be none and width to be auto. So you can see here we have added this right sidebar identifier with the first division with these options. Coming to the next option identifier, here we added the margin 0 and padding to be 0 pixel. So for that we have added these margin and padding for these options. Coming to the next class, that is .01. This is one for this list. We've added this 01 class here with these options. So here we added its background color, its border radius, list style type, margins and padding for these particular options, different options. Coming to this media query part, here you can see that we have added @media screen and then we've added the minimum width (450 pixel. So here the media option will float the right side of the page if the viewport is 450 pixel wide or wider. So you can see, if you will make this browser wider, so this particular options will display on the right side of this browser. So it means if the viewport of this browser is greater than 450 pixel, then it will be displayed on the right side of the page. So if the viewport is less than 450 pixel, then the menu will be on the top of the content. Then this menu will display over the top of this content. So in this way we can change the viewport of the different web page. So if we are viewing this particular web page in the computer screen, then it will display like this. So if we are using the mobile phone to display this web page, then it will display like this in the mobile screen, because the mobile screen, the width and height of the mobile screens are smaller than this computer screen. So these are the different properties which we can add to display these web pages to be viewed in different handheld devices. So these are the two properties which we can use, that is viewport, meta tag, and the another one is the media queries. So these two particular properties are used to view these web pages in the mobile devices or the tablets. So this is all about the CSS3 media queries. Thank you.